Hey guys, this is a video tutorial on how to get a very nice fluffy full twist out. Your girl gonna put you in there, okay?
Real hot girl shit.
From Auntie Jackie's, and it smells really nice. I'm also using Wetline gel because it's super soft on my curls. It's not really as rough as Eco Styling gel. Of course, water. And I gotta get a brush. They got hair in it, but it's cool. I always start from the back of my head because I don't know, I just start from the back and work my way. So I'm gonna start off by then I'm gonna oh, but oh no, I'm tripping. Anyways, I'm gonna put some curl custard on it. Not a lot. I don't go heavy on my products on my hair because, like, why would I? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm gonna twist it. And then once I get to the end, I literally just curl my fingers around it. So stay. There we go. Period. Okay. So now we're just gonna repeat that on this side. Twist in the back, and I'm not doing my twist big. Anyways, a little bit of product, right? Gel. So yeah, now you're just gonna repeat pretty much throughout your whole head. Putting my product, my gel on, and brushing. Remember to twist to the end and then just curl the end up so it's nice and juicy. This is how your ends will turn out, like when you curl the ends, like I said. So my hair is dry right now. It's been a full day that I had my twist. It's cool. Okay. So this is the oil that I'll be using. Jamaican black castor oil. And I put it on my hands when I'm taking my fingers when I'm taking my hair down. Not a lot, like a very small amount, because I don't like my hair being like super oily. Like I don't like to touch my hair and my hands are like greasy as hell, you know. So yeah, just put a little bit, rubbing on our fingertips. Yeah. I'm just gonna take it down right like that. Y'all, it's been forever since I've done a twist out, so I'm really not sure how this is going to, you know, so as you can see, I have taken my twist down and like they're super curly. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm gonna do the other side, but I'm gonna put some more oil on my fingers. Just a little bit. So how I'm gonna separate my hair, I'm gonna do it the same way I took it down. So I'm gonna start from the back of my head, and I'm going to put the rest up in a ponytail. I'm not gonna use anything. I'm just gonna take my hands, gonna separate it just like this, pretty much. I'm going through, you know, so that one turned into 4. If it gets frizzy, I'll just wrap it around my finger in the same way that it's curled. Alright, so instead of it looking like this, kind of looks like this, right? And you see it's way more full, it has more volume, and it's still super curly, right? So do the same thing on this side. So right now, I look like a little boy because my hair is not stretched and it's kind of just curly. I like the dude from High School Musical. You know what I'm saying? He had the super curly hair. Like, this is what my hair is. I'm definitely gonna come back to this. So now I'm about to pick my hair with this metal pick. But yeah, so I'm just going through and I'm picking my roots out. I'm avoiding my ends because that really makes your twist out, you know what I'm saying? So avoid picking your ends. Picking my roots out, like I said. So this is how my hair is turned out. Right?